Wait, are you still using old fashioned paper business cards with your clients? You do know that this is 2021, right? Stand out with this modern solution to an old business staple. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors, just like you, sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. Real estate is one of those final industries that is still clinging onto old fashioned paper business cards, even though there are much better ways to share your contact info, as well as to give a more in depth view of what you offer. Now, many of you have asked me what kind of business card I use, as they see my QR code all over our marketing. We use digital business cards from a company called Hi Hello. There are others that are pretty good as well, such as Switch It and Blink. I'll link those down below. The great thing about digital business cards, though, is that you can add a ton more info to the card, as well as photos and videos. With clickable links, you can send people to your website, your social media profiles, lead gen pages, and more. My favorite feature is the ability to upload and autoplay short videos that introduces myself and company, but also adds a little bit of personality. Thanking people for connecting with you right away can make a great first impression. Now, most of the business card apps have the same assortment of features, so I'll just cover the one I use, Hi Hello. Here's a look at my card, for example. This is where someone goes when they scan the QR code that is generated once you create your card. You can see I've got a short video as the main profile shot. Then you have your name and occupation, and you can have a great description and introduction area next. Then you have all your contact info and links after that. This simple card lets you showcase your brand and makes you stand out from all the other guys with old-fashioned business cards. And your new contact can add you to their address book on their phone in just a couple of taps. So you might be wondering if we can help with getting your business card video done. Absolutely. We offer a short 1-minute business card video where you can introduce yourself and your company, and let new contacts know what your business is about, who you serve, and what your values are, as well as how to connect further. You'll get two versions. One is a short clip for your business card on Hi Hello or other apps. The other is the full 1-minute video that will add to all of your listings, property websites with us. This version is also great to link to on your social profiles and as a trailer video on your YouTube channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when we release new videos just like this. And take a moment and let us know down in the comments what questions you have about marketing your real estate business. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve. Wait, are you still using old-fashioned business paper?